If your Monday.com error notifications are not working, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your alerts working again. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it comes down to a browser problem, a slow internet connection, blocked notifications, or a setting inside Monday.com itself. So stay with me, because we're going to check each one in order and make sure nothing gets missed. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the simplest fix first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and trigger your notifications again. If the page has been open for a while, or if something glitched in the browser, a refresh can clear that up immediately. After refreshing, give it a moment and see whether the error notifications start appearing again. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Notifications may fail if your connection is unstable or too slow. Open a new tab in your browser and search for a speed test. Run the test and make sure your internet is working properly. If the speed is very low or if the connection is dropping in and out, that could absolutely be the reason Monday.com notifications are not coming through. In that case, reconnect to your network, switch to a stronger connection, or wait until the internet stabilizes and then test Monday.com again. Now let's move on to clearing the browser cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for website issues like this. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select Cache and Cookies. Be careful to choose the right options, then clear the data. Once that's done, restart your browser completely and sign back into Monday.com. Old cached files can sometimes interfere with notifications, so clearing them gives the site a fresh start. If you still have the same problem, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can prevent Monday.com from loading notifications correctly. Open your browser menu, usually the 3 dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and then Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions that might block scripts, pop-ups, or alerts. Ad blockers are the most common culprit, so start with those first. After disabling them, go back to Monday.com and see if the error notifications begin working again. Next, check the notification settings inside Monday.com itself, because sometimes the issue is not the browser at all. Open Monday.com, click your profile picture, then go to My Profile. Inside your profile settings, open Notifications. Here, you want to make sure the required alerts are enabled. If the notification type you need is turned off, Monday.com won't send you the updates you expect. Review the list carefully and switch on any alerts related to task updates, mentions, errors, or anything else relevant to your workflow. After that, you also want to check your browser and system notification permissions. Even if Monday.com is set correctly inside the app, your browser may still be blocking notifications at the device level. Open your browser settings and look for site permissions or notification settings. Make sure Monday.com is allowed to send notifications. If you're on a computer, also check your operating system's notification settings to confirm that browser notifications are not being muted or blocked. This step is important because the browser can approve the site, but the system can still stop the alerts from showing up. Once you've gone through all of these fixes, go back to Monday.com and test it again. In many cases, one of these steps will restore the notifications right away. Refreshing the page, checking internet speed, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, and verifying notification permissions usually solves the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, if Monday.com error notifications are not working, start by refreshing the page, then check your internet speed, clear your cache and cookies, disable browser extensions, confirm your Monday.com notification settings, and finally allow browser and system notifications. Follow those steps in order and you'll usually get the issue fixed quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Monday.com tips and easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.